Your Vaultek Pro MX Series safe is equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and installs in seconds. First, remove the battery from your accessories box and using your manual key, open the safe. Locate the battery cover beneath the control panel and remove by pressing on the front tab. Insert your battery into the compartment, making sure the pull strap is underneath the battery. You will hear a short welcome tone and the control panel will light up. Replace the battery cover and you are ready to begin programming. Change the master code from the safe's factory default code immediately. Your safe can auto-detect the polarity of the battery and installs in either direction. You will need to fully charge your new safe. Use the charging kit provided and plug your safe into the wall and charge for approximately 2.5 hours. The LCD screen will indicate when the battery is fully charged. Your Vaultek Pro MX Series features an 8-digit keypad designed for quick, responsive input and over 19 million possible combinations. The keypad will auto-illuminate with a built-in proximity sensor. Your master code can be as short as 4 digits or as long as 8, but 6 digits are recommended for increased security. To get started programming your new master code, open the safe and locate the program button beneath the control panel. Press and hold the 1 key followed by the program button until the LCD screen prompts you to enter your new code. Enter your new code, then immediately press and hold the 1 key followed by the program button together again until the LCD screen prompts you to enter your new code a second time. Enter your new code and immediately press and hold the 1 key followed by the program button together a third time until the LCD screen confirms the master code is changed. Be sure and keep your code confidential. This is the same code required to pair your safe with the Vaultek app. Your Vaultek Pro MXi features an upgraded fingerprint sensor for enhanced sensitivity and speed. When scanning, be sure your finger is placed flat and that your cuticle is aimed in the center of the scanner. This will help your safe read as much detail as possible for consistent results. Explore multiple fingers to see which one has the most success. Your thumb has a higher surface area and can also be used. You can also enroll the same finger more than once to increase your success rate. To get started enrolling your first fingerprint, open the safe and locate the program button beneath the control panel. Press and hold the 2 key followed by the program button together until the LCD screen prompts you to place your finger on the scanner for the first of 5 scans. When the safe beeps and the first status bar LED turns green, you can lift your finger and the safe will prompt you to place your finger for the second scan. Continue this series of lifting and placing your finger for all 5 scans to complete enrollment for the first user. The first 2 enrolled users are considered administrative. To enroll additional users, you will need to scan one of the administrative fingerprints first. After you've enrolled your administrative prints, you can add other users. Press and hold the 2 key followed by the program button together until the LCD screen prompts you to scan an administrative print. Place an admin print on the scanner, and when authorized, you can begin enrolling a new user. Your safe can store up to 20 different users, with the first 2 serving as the administrative prints. For versatility, your Vaultek Pro MX Series safe can be mounted horizontally, vertically, or both. Featuring pre-drilled holes on the backside and underside of the safe, you can hard mount the safe to a flat surface of your choosing. With assistance, align the safe where you like, making sure the safe has clearance to open without interference, and mark the mounting hole locations. Pilot the holes and then install the mounting hardware to secure the safe in place. The pre-drilled holes on the backside are vertically aligned, allowing you to anchor your safe to a single wall stud for reinforced mounting. The Pro MX Series interior is designed to be reconfigurable, featuring a height-adjustable shelf and modular accessories to maximize storage. The top shelf pulls out for convenience and has 3 height positions. To adjust the height, first remove the shelf by pressing firmly from the bottom up at each corner to loosen and free the shelf from its brackets. Using a Phillips screwdriver, you can remove the screws and all 4 brackets from the sidewall. Next, choose which position you'd like to install the shelf and remove the plastic anchor covers. You can replace these in the previous location. Reinstall all 4 brackets in the new height location and tighten the screws in place. Replace the shelf and press each corner firmly to clip the shelf back onto its brackets. The modular accessories for the Pro MX, including an 8-slot magazine rack and twin pistol rack, can be arranged in multiple positions around the safe. There are 3 positions on the safe bottom and 2 positions available on the shelf. To attach one of your accessory modules, simply remove the insert cover and press the module into place. Pro MX series can fit a maximum of 3 pistol racks across the bottom, and when combined with the top shelf, your safe can safely store 8 handguns. Smart Key access is compatible with the Pro MX series. The Smart Key may not be for everyone, and we recommend using it only after thoroughly understanding the inherent risks. If you decide to pair the Smart Key, take caution and be responsible. For safety, your Smart Key is equipped with a dual press, requiring you to press both sides of the Smart Key in order to pair and open your safe. To get started, remove the Smart Key from your accessories box and pull out the battery tab from the side of the key to activate. With the safe open, press and hold the 5 key followed by the program button together until the LCD screen shows pairing is ready. Aim your Smart Key towards the safe and press both sides of the key until the LCD screen shows pairing is complete. Next, you will need to set the entry mode for your Smart Key. You can do this from the keypad hotkey or within the app. You can choose between on-demand and progressive entry modes. On-demand will open your safe at any time within range of the safe, but draw significant power. We recommend progressive entry, which will open the safe only after the safe has been awakened first. To wake your safe, you can simply press any key on the safe or brush your hand across the keys to get them to come on. In the event you lose your Smart Key, simply start the pairing sequence over without the Smart Key present. After 6 seconds, the safe will erase any Smart Key memory, and the lost key will be unable to open the safe. Vaultek's keypads have several hotkey shortcuts. With your Pro MX series, you can adjust nearly every setting right from the keypad. For example, you can check the battery levels by pressing and holding keys 6 and 8. The LCD screen will indicate the battery level left. You can check for tampering by pressing and holding keys 2 and 4 together. If the number 3 turns green, no tampering has occurred. The tamper detection system will track incorrect code entries and fingerprint scans. DMT impact detection sounds an alarm if the safe is bumped. Its sensitivity has 3 adjustable settings that can be set by pressing and holding the 7 key, then the program button together. The LCD screen will display each setting. For the full list of available hotkeys, including the Bluetooth toggle, please reference your included user manual. With Vaultek's Bluetooth app available for Android and iOS devices, you can easily view critical safe data such as battery levels, tamper indication, and a history log for when the safe has been opened. To get set up, open the app and first set your pattern lock. This is a custom pattern comprising of at least 4 dots that you draw with your finger and will safeguard your safe in the event your phone gets into the wrong hands. After setting your pattern lock, you can now select your safe from the pairing list to connect. The first step is entering the safe's master code, which is the same code used to open the safe using the keypad. Next, you will sync your phone to the safe by pressing and holding keys 4 and 5, followed by the program button until the LCD screen confirms pairing is in progress. Press OK on the app screen to complete the sync. Once paired, you can adjust your safe preferences, such as toggling the sound on and off and setting the interior LED light brightness. You even have a remote entry point with a simple swipe of your finger. By default, this feature will be disabled, but you can enable remote unlock by pressing and holding keys 1 and 4 followed by the program button. Pro MX series safes have their own set of unique preferences within the app. Users can adjust impact detection sensitivity, set the smart key entry mode, and enable dual entry.